Hey everybody, Boris Schlossberg from BKTraderFx. The subject of this week's commentary is One Mind, Any Weapon, the motto of the U.S. Marine Corps and one that we're going to apply to trading this week. This is a chart of my scalping account at another dealer that I have this week, Wednesday night. And when you're going to understand what happened here, you're actually going to see that I changed my account back to FXCM. For those of you who are wondering why we have like separate accounts, it's because we trade the BK Trader Advisor trades through the FXCM account, but we have other accounts that, we didn't want to commingle our funds, my personal accounts at other dealers. Now, after this experience, I've actually changed the accounts back to FXCM. But that is not the issue here. What I want you to understand is exactly what happened and how these things will happen to you regardless of what dealer you're at. The key question is how you're going to react to them. So here's my scalping setup that many of you are familiar with. Stop Hunting with the Big Players is on YouTube. You can take a look at it. And if you really want to know the details of the account, you have to join us, and you can read the transcripts of the chats, how I traded live. I get long euro-dollar Wednesday night. This is the 46 to the 47 handle run. Basically, because the data is at my back, European equity indices are pretty strong, and I pretty much think that euro-dollar is going to rally back up to the 47 handle. But I get long at a wrong price. I get long at around 46.84, already a little bit off my target price, so I'm off balance here. The trade goes, and it does go my way. But here is what happens. It goes into my profit target, but because this particular dealer is a market maker, they spread me out and do not execute my limit profit order right here. Prices then recede very quickly. I go to break even, and I get taken out at break even. At this point, I'm absolutely apoplectic. I am furious because I'm really ready basically to punch every single computer screen in front of me because I think I should have had this profit and the dealer just didn't do right by me. And I do what is very, very common. I do revenge trading. I go right back into the trade, get long, and actually trade goes my way. But I'm so distracted and so annoyed at what happened, I'm really not paying good attention to it. It goes my way once, goes my way twice. I'm sort of ignoring the price action, not paying good attention to it. I should be putting a stop order right behind it to protect my profits at break even. I do not. Trade slips back down. It takes me out at my stop. So now it's like putting salt on a wound. Not only have I lost a profit opportunity over here, but I made myself a loss opportunity over here. And I take a breather and I ask myself, okay, what am I doing here? Am I doing this just to prove to the market how right and brilliant I am? Or do I really like this trade? And after a few minutes of calmness, I decide, no, I really like this trade. This makes sense. I want to go back into it. I get long and watch it like a hawk this time. And within about 10 minutes, the trade does work out my way. I get limited out here at profit, and I make money. But the moral of the story is this. The market is not a friendly, little, nice place. It is not a place where people are going to hand you money. People are going to trip you up, stab you in the back, do all sorts of things because it's a very competitive environment. Nobody here gives you money on a platter. You must go out and take it. The whole idea is you must be prepared for anything and everything. And the fault is not with them, but with you if you do not react properly. One mind, any weapon is the motto the Marines use to prepare yourselves for any kind of situation you find yourself in and to adapt to it properly. In this particular case, I did not adapt myself properly in this case, but in this case, I did. I regrouped and I made money back. That's the key. One mind, any weapon. That's the motto we're going to follow in trading. I wish you the best of luck. Boris Schlossberg, over and out.